a protein with chocolate. So everything has nourishment. It's full of vitamins and minerals.
Organic beet juice with adaptogens for your blood and your body and your muscles, so when you're in the gym, you can crush it with all the endurance molecules that your body can possibly need and use every day, baby. And guess what? If you own a gym, you can get one of these puppies in your gym and make tons of cash. Because if you know anything about residual income and vending machines are next level, just like a car wash or any of that stuff, right? You set it up and then you just leave it there, and it's a cash machine that pays you. And this is organic nutrition, baby. This has never been done. This is the superfood soda machine. Never been done. We got berry juice right here with beet juice and ashwagandha and maca and a whole bunch of other stuff. And then we've got the green alkalizer, which is sprouted cruciferous vegetables and spirulina and what else is in there? A bunch of good stuff that completely alkalizes your body and makes you feel amazing. And guess what? It's all organic, and we have the value proposition for you. I can text it or email it to you. Basically, you sell 25 of these a day, and within 2 months, you put $5,000 in your pocket and paid off the machine. The machine, loaded with superfoods, is $6,700, and we will actually give you the whole financing for free. 2 years for $300 a month, or 3 years for $200 a month. And 90 days deferral. So if you have volume in your dojo, gym, yoga studio, retail space, or your health food juice bar place, if you've got the volume, you can put money in your pocket before you make your first payment. We're changing the world, guys. This is the future of the evolution of human consciousness. Why? Because your biochemistry needs organic food, real food, to make real muscles. Look at these muscles. Look at that. Look at this ass. Come on, guys. Look at that. Look.